Let's hope.
下次都肠胃镜发现是一个道理。
Good afternoon, this is Lincoln with Spectrum Inspections. I'll be doing the sewer scope today. Our location is 11804 West Tufts Pl, Morrison. We are in the crawl space. I am being accompanied by the buyer and by the realtor. My point of entry is the ABS main stack. We got some mild buildup. Oh, we got a belly right here. And that's going to make it real hard to get up and over that. To be honest with you.
What's that?
Yeah, everything I'm doing is going underneath that lip.
What was that? Do you know what's that?
What's what?
The white one.
This one here?
Yeah.
That's the line to the main line that goes out to the street.
Oh, okay.
But this here needs to be fixed. I'll be honest with you right here. This needs to be fixed. This is going to be where solids and everything build up.
Oh, okay.
So
so it's from stock here?
Yeah, the screw scope is stuck right there.
Okay.
So right now that tells me that this should be addressed as far as repairs.
I see. Oh, 它是土了，这个放。
No, I can't get up and past that. Nothing I do.
Stuck there?
Yep, stuck right there. This needs to be a repair at 2.4 meters, which is about 8 feet, which is going to be just on the other side of this wall.
Still underneath the property, right?
Oh, well, yeah, we're like I said, there's 3 feet to a meter. We're at 2.4 meters. So we're at 8 feet.
So still not go to the main water from the water company. That's still the owner's territory, right?
Oh, absolutely. We're way beyond the city tap, and I can't get to the city tap because I can't get past this. Let me try. I'm trying a larger head. Maybe that'll help. I don't think it's going to.
这才多少一点？那这种他要
对，他在疏通
是吧？
对。
这种就是直接请的人疏通就可以了，比方我以后要堵的话。
对。现在专门的那个 plumber 他就可以把它搞那个。
这种一般要多少钱？疏通？
要看也1-2百块钱。
1-2百块钱一个。
对他来说是机械的，我这个转开。
那看来他这里没什么大问题。不像上海，我都给他换了。
对，如果是堵了，我们可以喊让他搞的，喊那个。
没有其他的问题吧？其他的好像没什么问题。
对。
但是如果没有什么大的问题，那就是像点小的东西，还喊他修是吧？
对。 那不然就没东西还能修，有小东西就可以，反正就还能修。
All right. Not making any promises here, guys.
It's tough.
No, it's not going to go. And that's a huge offset right there. This, I'm just going to tell you right now. This recording, it needs to be evaluated and repaired by a licensed plumber.
Yeah.
This is too big of a lip there. You're going to have nothing but solids and stuff accumulate.
I see.